is Friday, and I'm making 2 videos today. 2 recap videos, 2 live, real trades, real entries, real exits, showing you guys what really goes down. None of that bull crap, you know, picking entries and telling you profits, but really showing you the trades. Getting one more trade today, one more trade here on TPIV. I'm kind of bummed because I was thinking this was gonna be the real Mac Daddy of trades. I was gonna just walk into the weekend up, you know, $2,000. I was like, oh, this is gonna be beautiful, but ended up only making $900 a day. You'll see it all happen, so make sure you stay tuned. Woo, baby! This is gonna be a good weekend. Ooh, a little bit more color. Ooh, real brown. Ooh, coming back. There we go. I just wanted to show this trade really quickly here on TPIV. I literally was done trading for the day, and I saw this just stupid move here on TPIV. This is the move that I wanted earlier, the move that I thought we were gonna get earlier. You know, I was like, huh, we're getting the move, baby. We're getting the move here. And I was really excited. I thought, you know, oh, we're gonna break above that $9 area. You can see that's kind of what I was doing in this area here. But bam, TPIV. I feel pretty good about this trade. Obviously, you know, I was hoping for a little bit higher. Honestly, I was hoping for this push up to $10. I went to sell there at $9.84, could not get filled, but ended up getting filled there fully at $9.74. This damn screen sometimes. Let me pull this screen down. Okay, now you can see my exit there. So I had 2,000 shares. I was basically buying this, you know, kind of seeing this breakout here, this big move, and thinking we were going to get that push to $10, which it still might do. Look at this, though. This thing went from $7.60 up there to $9.80. I was done. I was really kind of done trading for the day. I didn't think we were going to get that type of move here on TPIV. Really, I mean, look at this thing. That's the crazy part is, you know, it's kind of, it had this high of day was there at 885. And then, you know, sold off, pulled down here the 740s, couldn't break back above, you know, 850 area here. So, you know, pull back down here to 740. It gets below the view app, gets below the EMAs, everything like that. And then, boom, look what happens later on. Really, that's the crazy part with these stocks sometimes is why did this happen? Why did this happen at the exact moment? Maybe, you know, let's look at the 5 chart here. 5-minute chart, we can see a better reason. I mean, you know, there's a little bit of a kind of triangle there, I guess you could say. It's a triangle, something kind of a breakout there. You know, this downtrend kind of broke out of this downtrend there. But overall, I mean, there's not a clear like, oh, this is exactly why it exploded. You know, you get a major short squeeze. You have shorts that are piling in here at the 850 area, thinking, okay, I'm doubling down. This thing is gonna crash. It's gonna get stuck there 850 like earlier, and then you know what happens? Boom, it gets up here to high of day again. Shorts are like, hey, I'm gonna jump in here. I can hold it down. We can hold it down together. And they couldn't hold it down, and then you get the squeeze up there to 980. So over $9, it was game on. I actually was trying to buy there at $9, could not get filled. You can see it jumped from jumped pretty much right over $9. I think, yeah, it was just like, boom, right over $9 there. So just squeezed right over 9. No fill there. Jumped up there to 925. A little bit of a pullback. I was sitting here trying to get a pullback. Could not get filled in the pullback. There's a little bit of a spread in the stock. And then finally, you know, we get up here to 980. Told myself I really didn't want to chase it. But then I kind of, you know, just thought we had some power there. The volume was kind of consolidating. Had a little bit of power there. The EMA is getting a little closer. And I had got 1,000 shares there at 955. And then another 1,000 there at 940. You can see kind of that support area there. That 940 was kind of the support area there after this run. So I really thought, okay, we're gonna get this massive, you know, breakout here. This thing's gonna go to $10, maybe $10.50. If it kind of did the same, you know, move, I think the shorts would have got squeezed over $10. It would have been 10, 20, 20, 30, no problem there. We really would have got, you know, a big major move. But I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of lock it in there. It is Friday. It's 12:15. I'm definitely done now. Oh, she's going. Is it going to happen? Let's see. Up there at 970 again, 966. This thing really is, it's kind of, you know, gets spready at times. You'll see, watch level 2 here. It gets a little bit of a spread going on. And then, you know, then it'll just shoot up and then it'll kind of spread back down. So it's kind of interesting to see I mean, there's decent volume here. There's not a ton of volume, but there is decent volume on this stock right now. And you know, it's happening. It's happening here. So my P&L there on TPIV making, there it is, above $10. There it is, making $754 there on TPIV, making $195 there on EDAP. This is the move. I really thought we were going to get this as the move. I thought, you know, right here, this was going to ramp up $10. Look at it, up there to 10.10 now. I think if the shorts can't pile in here, if they can't hold this down, this thing is going to squeeze. Let's see. I think 10.20 area would be kind of the shorts getting squeezed again there. You got the shorts who piled in here, and then there it is, 10.20. Let's see. This breaks over 10.20. It's definitely gonna squeeze some shorts there. But like I said, you got all these shorts that are piling in here. They're thinking, okay, they're gonna crash this down. It's gonna go lower. They're thinking, right? It's got to go lower. It can't keep going higher. So all these shorts are piling in here. You can see all this red candles, all this selling pressure. But boom, another squeeze up there to 10.20 now. That's exactly what I was looking for. I was really thinking this candle here, we're gonna get that move up there to $10. You know, no problem. The high on these candles was $9.85. So once I saw, okay, very similar to EDAP earlier, once I saw that we had that kind of double top there, we're getting stuck at $9.85. That was the reason that I got out. If this was strong right here, if this was really gonna explode, this should have easily spiked above $9.85 and made that push towards the $10 area. And I think worst come to worst, I could have got filled there, $9.85, $9.90 area. And then, you know, if that resistance there at $10 would have kicked in, that would have been kind of, okay, time to get out. But you can see, really, look at this move there, though. From 940 up there to 1020. Nice, you know, really just beautiful opportunity here. And look at it. There it is. There's the squeeze. See how it happens? Right over 1020, shorts getting squeezed. What happens? Jumps to 1034. So that is just nothing but squeezing. Really just nothing. I mean, look at these candles. This is probably the best candle from 870 up there to 925 on this 1 minute candle. So boom, big squeeze, 199,000 shares traded. Boom, 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 boom. We're going higher, and then up there to 1040. So TPIV, why you gotta do that to me? Why you gotta do that to me? I'll take it though. I'll take it. Oh, 1040 now. This was the move that I wanted. This was the move. I wanted this move right there. Oh, that would have been icing on the cake. 2,000 shares with a 940 average. Baby Jesus, that would have been beautiful. Would have been beautiful. I was really thinking we were gonna just ramp right there, but you can see it needed a little bit more consolidation. A little bit more consolidation. It touched the EMAs. It found the support there, and then boom. Shorts get squeezed. The shorts are getting out of it here. They're getting out of it. And that's what happens. You get that move up there to 1040. So there it is. TPIV. We traded it this morning, early this morning when it was, what was it? We were buying there at 848. There it is up there to 1040 now. So big old move there on TPIV today. And you can see sometimes these things they just go crazy out of nowhere. I mean, this thing went from $5 to $8 at open, pulled back. $7 area, 740, and then, you know, really boom, 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 going sideways, and then boom, explosion. And that's what it's all about. Momentum day trading. It does not get any more momentum-y or any more you know, exciting than seeing stuff like this, seeing this going down like this. Really crazy. Oh, hindsight's 2020. Obviously, you know, sitting here looking at this now, I'm like, oh. That would have been just beautiful to have this move up there above $10 when I was in it. But at the same time, you just can't be greedy. Obviously, seeing this, you know, kind of double top there at the 985 area, that's kind of a red flag. Like, okay, this is probably going to pull back. You know, it pulled back down there to, what did it pull back? 928, 930, found some support. You can see the bottom of these candles, you know, that support there at 940 holding. And then, boom, boom. So, nice little bull flag there. I was really just thinking, this was going to explode right there. So that's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. And you can see kind of why I entered where I entered at. You know, on the 5-minute chart, this is looking a little bit better. Get this big old move there from the 760. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit of a pullback. And boom, exploding again. So there it is. TPIV. I'm going to walk away. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. I'm going to take my profit. And I'm going to go to the beach. Go to the hotel. I'm out of here. I got to get going. So there it is, making $949, almost $1,000 day. It was so close, so close there. I was only $60 away from from the $1,000 day that I wanted. You know, really, I kind of EDAP. I gave it back on that trade there. I gave it a little bit back on TPIV. So if I wouldn't have given back any money today, if I would only taken profit, that would have been over $1,000. And really, what's crazy is I was actually down $300 at the beginning of the day. So being down $300 and then back up almost over $1,000. So you take away the $300, it's like I basically had a $1,300 day in theory, right? In theory, you know, you do kind of do the math. You know, hypothetically, I had a $1,300 day. We'll just call it a $1,300 day, hypothetically. Hey, whatever you got to do to make yourself feel better, right? So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go with the feeling better here that I had a $1,300 day, at least in my mind. You know, I'll tell everybody else out there that I had a $948 day, but whatever, I'll take it. I'll take it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy seeing these live trades. These are real trades, real money. None of that bullshit paper trade. None of that, oh, here, this is where I bought. You know, my favorite is I watch people on YouTube, and they make these recap videos, and they're like, oh, yeah, so I bought this stock, EDAP. I bought it, I forgot where I bought it at. I think I bought it here. Yeah, I bought it here at the $3 area. Yeah. And I sold it here at $420, and I made $15,000 a day. Yeah, that was my trade. And if you're watching a video on YouTube and someone's talking like that and they don't remember their entries, there's probably a problem. If they're not showing you your entries, if they're not showing live entries, exits, live entries, and exits, what are they doing? Why are they posting a video of them trying to figure out where they bought at or where they sold at? It's kind of interesting. You have to ask questions for yourself out there. Ask questions. Next time you're watching one of the Warren Buffetts on YouTube, ask questions. You know, why do they not show their actual entries? Why do they not show their actual exits? Questions. Questions, questions, questions.